Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to safely transfer your assets from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. This is a smart move because Coinbase Wallet gives you more control over your private keys and enhances security. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's easier than you think, and we'll have you set up in no time. First things first. Make sure you have both a Coinbase account and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone. If not, download it from your app store and create a wallet if you haven't already. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Head over to the dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you're on the asset page, look for the Send or Withdraw button. Click that to begin. Step 2. You'll need to enter the receiving address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the specific asset, and tap on the Receive button to copy your wallet address. Paste this address into the To field on Coinbase. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Next, Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Once you've confirmed the amount, review all the details, and hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Step 4. Sit back and wait. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Coinbase Wallet app to see your assets arrive. Awesome, right? A quick tip. Always use the official Coinbase wallet and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for updates or contact Coinbase support. There you have it. Transferring crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet in 2025 is straightforward and secure. This step boosts your crypto journey by giving you full control. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.